Welcome to Form 5, Chapter 2, Linear Law. The first part we are learning today is how to express y in terms of x, given a straight line graph. On the A equation, it says that the variable x and y are related such that when log tan y is plotted against x squared and a straight line graph is obtained, the line passes through the coordinate 0, 5 and 2, 7. Express y in terms of x. For A, it says that log tan y is log y against x squared. And from this part, you have coordinate 0, 5 and also 2, 7. So the first part, whenever you try to do y in terms of x, you must always express in y equal to mx plus c. So the first thing we need to do is to find the gradient. So the gradient on these two coordinates is you use the second coordinate minus the first coordinate. So y2 minus y1, let me write down the equation first. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is the formula. Apply that 7 minus 5 over 2 minus 0. In this case, you will have 2 over 2, and at the end you get 1 as the gradient. Then apply into your y equal to mx plus c, y equal to your mx plus c. And now you are required to find c. So c is your y-intercept, which is this. So this is y-intercept because x equal to 0. So y equal to x plus 5. This is not your answer. Your y here is your log y. So you have to change it to your log y, and your x here is your x squared. So change it to x squared plus 5. In this case, you are required to find y in terms of x. So I change this log form into indices form. So log y is log 10y. So when I change, it will be y equal the base of 10 to the power of x squared plus 5. So this is with a bracket. So this is the final answer. For B, it is the same thing. The diagram shows that the straight line graph, this graph is plotted y over x squared against x. So you are trying to express this. So you first do y equal to mx plus c, and you know that your m is obtained from this line. So this is your y-intercept and x-intercept. So to find gradient, the formula is negative y-intercept over x-intercept. And in this case, you know your y-intercept is 6, your x-intercept is 10. And you will have 3 over 5. So substitute negative 3 over 5 x plus c. And now you need to find c, which is your y-intercept. So just put 6 onto the equation. This is the final version, and then change the y and x to the y-axis and the x-axis, which is y over x squared on the y part. So y over x squared equal negative 3 over 5. Your x-axis is still x, so remain to x plus 6. And in this case, you need to change into y in terms of x, so your y is standing alone. So y equal negative 3 over 5 x to the power of 3 plus 6x squared. So the whole equation here I times with x squared to eliminate this x squared here. So this is my final answer for B.